Welcome. If you're looking to streamline your Google Chrome experience by disabling the reading list icon, you've come to the right place. The reading list feature can be useful for some, but if you find it cluttering your toolbar, here's how to remove it step by step. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the latest features and settings. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section. Click on it to reveal more options related to how Chrome looks and feels. Now, within the Appearance settings, find and click on Customize your toolbar. This section allows you to manage what icons and features appear in your toolbar. Finally, locate the option labeled Reading List. You will see a toggle or checkbox next to it. Simply disable the Reading List option by clicking on it. This action will remove the Reading List icon from your toolbar, giving you a cleaner browsing interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the Reading List icon on Google Chrome. If you ever decide that you want to bring it back, just follow these same steps and enable it again. Enjoy your uncluttered browsing experience.